Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volkswagen Passat trunk. You can typically open it using the button on your remote key fob. Simply press and hold the trunk release button for a few seconds until it pops open. Alternatively, look for a release button inside the car, often near the driver's seat or on the dashboard. Finally, some models have an exterior release button, usually integrated into the Volkswagen emblem or above the license plate. If your primary methods aren't working, or in an emergency, you can use the manual trunk release. This is usually located inside the trunk itself. Look for a small, often glow-in-the-dark, handle or lever. Pulling this handle will manually unlatch the trunk, allowing you to open it from the outside. This is especially useful if your car battery is dead or the electronic system fails. Having trouble getting your trunk to open? First, ensure your car is fully unlocked. Sometimes the trunk remains locked even if the doors are open. Also, check if the valet lock feature is engaged, which prevents the trunk from opening electronically. Lastly, inspect the trunk latch area for any obstructions, like luggage or debris, that might be preventing it from fully releasing. To keep your Passat trunk operating smoothly, consider some simple maintenance. Regularly lubricate the latch mechanism with a suitable spray to prevent sticking. Occasionally, check the wiring harness that runs into the trunk lid for any signs of wear or damage, as this can affect electronic operation. For specific details on your model, always consult your Volkswagen owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.